Precision machining begins with stable process, control, and accurate cutting performance. High-quality brass materials are prepared for CNC turning operations through structured machining workflows. CNC turning systems remove material weight, control cutting parameters to achieve dimensional precision and stable machining consistency. Every machining operation is optimized to maintain tight tolerances and repeatable component geometry. Consistent machining quality is essential for all manufacturing and industrial assembly applications. Critical dimensions are verified for structured inspection. Procedures before shipment. STARWAY manufacturing. Engineering manufacturing excellence.